Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a fascinating problem involving cache eviction, TLB entry invalidation, and the interaction between the two. The issue at hand revolves around the uncertainty surrounding the effects of using the INVLPG instruction to invalidate TLB entries and the impact of mprotect on the CPU cache hierarchy. This is a critical aspect that needs clarification for a better understanding of these processes. In the solution provided, it's crucial to note that mainstream x86 CPUs, for the last couple of decades, utilize physically addressed caches, including L1I and L1D. Therefore, when INVLPG invalidates a TLB entry or when mprotect downgrades permissions affecting the TLB entry, it does not directly impact the CPU cache for the given addresses. The caches, particularly L1 caches, do not require invalidation when the virtual page no longer references the same physical page, as any valid entries in the cache will continue to cache the line of the physical page without being affected by TLB operations. Regarding the potential creation or effects on cache entries, it's important to highlight that INVLPG does not load or store anything, ensuring that it should not cause a cache entry to be created or affected. The instruction operates by accessing the TLB itself to identify entries that match the given virtual address, without triggering a page walk that would involve going through the cache. Even with AMD's INVLPG variant, INVLPG-B, which broadcasts and invalidate to other CPUs, the process should not touch memory directly. Instead, it provides a mechanism for the OS to handle TLB invalidation across multiple cores efficiently. In summary, we've explored the intricacies of cache eviction, TLB entry invalidation, and their impact on the CPU cache hierarchy. Understanding how INVLPG and mprotect interact with caches is essential for optimizing system performance and ensuring efficient memory management. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep exploring and learning.